Hi, hello, namaskara, pranamagalu. This is Sudarshan. I am back with a new video. I have been carrying out an health and safety drive, and this video gives you the complete information on this health and safety drive. It's my sincere request to watch this video till the end. We all know that everyone in this planet are using the electronic gadgets. So be it laptops, smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, Wi-Fi routers, etc., etc., etc. And all these gadgets are emitting electromagnetic radiations, and it's entering into our body knowingly or unknowingly, and it is becoming a biggest threat to our life. In the past 15 years, this electromagnetic radiation has increased 100 times throughout the globe. What are all the problems can occur when these harmful radiations enters into our body? So it may lead to the heart issues, reproductive issues, lower immunity level, brain tumor, poor sleep quality, fatigue, risk of child's growth. It may lead to cancer, headache, etc., etc., etc. And we know all these information are available in the internet. We can able to search it, but still we cannot live without these gadgets, as it is our life partner. We had to live with this. But how can we able to mitigate this big challenge? Yes, there is an amazing solution produced by a company called as Environics with the partnership from Modicare. It's called EnviroChip and the EnviroGlobe. So being a Modicarian, it's my sincere responsibility to give more information on these products. So we all know the electromagnetic radiation transmit via the constant wave, so which is entering into our body, and it is highly harmful to the human beings. So what does this chip or the globe do? So it changes the wave pattern naturally from the constant wave to the random wave. So when the random wave enters the human beings, or there is no harm at all. So it's going to neutralize the radiation without affecting the frequency or anything. So it is not going to destroy the radiation. It's not going to do any of those things. It's just going to neutralize the radiation so that it's not harmful to the human beings. That's all this chip and the globe does effectively. There are questions arise like how this chip is being made. Yes, it's a patented technology, so it is made up of a natural inert material which doesn't have any expiry at all. So this EnviroChip and the EnviroGlobe is a one-time investment, and we don't require any AMCs for this product at all. And with respect to this chip, it has been tested, certified by the international laboratories like CE, Max Healthcare from the UK, that is called DB Technology, Singapore Green Building Council, etc., etc., etc. And also this research has been published in several international journals, which is seen in the screen. And also these EnviroChips and EnviroGlobe is being used by our top 25 Indian companies across the India. So that shows the confidence and how effectively this EnviroChip and EnviroGlobe works and take care of us. Being a Modicarian, I have been promoting this EnviroChip and EnviroGlobe to all my nears and dears. I want my nears and dears to be safe and their family to be safe from these harmful radiations. This is the health and safety drive which I am doing it from the past 5 months. So before doing that, I have also purchased this EnviroChips to my complete family, and also I have taken the EnviroGlobe. And let me tell you honestly, this is really working, and it really works. So in the long term, definitely it is going to improve our health and improve our immunity. So just to give you an example, we buy the water purifier just to make sure that we live a healthy life by drinking a pure water. And for that, Purifier, we have an AMC and we have to spend lots of money every year. But for this product, there is no expiry at all, no AMC is required. Everything works naturally and we can able to use it until we leave, or if we able to use it in a proper way. So that I can tell you very honestly, as a whole, this EnviroChip and EnviroGlobe is an amazing product which is a must for each and every individual and family. Everyone should buy this and be safe and have a healthy life. That is the main intention of this health and safety drive. To buy this EnviroChip and EnviroGlobe, please do contact me. I am happy to assist you, and I would happy to give these products at the dealer price so that we all get the discount on this product. So once again, thanks a lot for listening this, and looking forward for the orders from each and every amazing soul. Thanks a lot and love you all.